Up in the hills where the air is clear, the cacao trees grow year by year. With careful hands we tend the land, under the sun where mountains stand.
The morning light begins our day. As we work the fields we find our way. Through rows of green we walk with pride, in the heart of Thailand's countryside.
In the cacao hills we rise and sow, with the earth beneath we watch it grow. From seed to pot, through rain and sun, the farming work is never done. We harvest gold from nature's hand in the cacao hills of Thailand.
The pods are ripe, a golden hue. We cut them down, the harvest stew. Split them open, sweet and bright, a treasure found in morning light.
We gather beans, then pile them high to ferment beneath the open sky. Turn them gently day by day, it's nature's magic in every way. In the cacao hills we rise and sow, with the earth beneath we watch it grow. From seed to pot, through rain and sun, the farming work is never done. We harvest gold from nature's hand in the cacao hills of Thailand.
Under the sun, the beans are spread to dry in warmth the earth's sweet bed.
We wait with patience, the time will come
when these cacao dreams are shared by some. The farmer's life is rich and slow. In every step that cacao grows, from hills to hands it's all we know, a gift from Thailand's fertile soil below.
In the cacao hills we rise and sow, with the earth beneath we watch it grow. From seed to pot, through rain and sun, the farming work is never done. We harvest gold from nature's hand in the cacao hills of Thailand.
The farmers toil to chocolate's grace. We share the world a sweeter taste in the cacao hills of Thailand.